What is up, nation? It is Fabulous Friday. Our Metcon today, right? It's a real good one. Just two simple movements, burpees and sit-ups, right? So the way it's gonna go is your burpee is gonna be a descending ladder. I'm gonna start from 20, and I'm just gonna basically decrease a rep every single time, right? And then my sit-ups, they're increasing as we go out, right? So I'll have 20 burpees to start off, and then I'll do one sit-up, right? And I decrease that rep of my burpees, and then I increase my reps for my sit-ups. And it just goes all the way on from 20 to 1, from 1 all the way to 20, right? Pretty simple. We got a nice 35-minute time cap. Relatively should attack it super fast, right? It's all going to be in that burpees of that standpoint. Sit-ups will be going out pretty fast. Probably catch up in the last bit of it, but by then, right, our burpees should be getting quicker because our rep schemes are decreasing. But other than that, our warm-up, it's going to be 3 rounds. You're going to go out for a 100-meter run, and then you'll come back in. You'll have 10 scat push-ups. Going to be in that plank position. From there, lower down onto. Notice right there, that's Coach Briggs. He comes down, scaps are pulling back together. Good. And then from there, you're going to go into a nice good old push-up hold at the bottom, holding for 10 seconds. If not, we'll go to our knees, right there. Make sure those hips are staying in line, right? He's not having those hips up, holding like that for 10 seconds. And then after that, just good old 5 V-ups. There you go. If not, or anything, can go into those 5 lemon squeeze. So go elbow to knee, just like that. And then after that 3 rounds, go into this nice little general prep. You have 5 inchworms. Good guy. From there, walking his feet into his hands, legs staying straight as possible. Then after that, 10 seconds of a Superman plank, right? Starting from that plank position and then reaching those arms out as far as you can, holding for 10 seconds. Then you have nice 5 bottom burpees, right? It's just that down part of the burpee I go. On this, guys, also to practice from when that burpee, as you go, yep, I'm jumping up to my heels, booyah, like that, right? Especially when we get the Metcon and we're going through those burpees, right? It's a ton. That's gonna just get more efficient at that, right? I go down, heels to arms, we'll just find a nice good rhythm. And then from there, for our warm-up, just nice, good, easy 10 hollow rocks. In that hollow position, shoulder blades are up, rocking back and forth. If not, you can have those legs bent at a 90, and then rocking arms off to the side, and rocking just like so. On that run, forgot to mention, if you don't have map out 100 meters or can't leave your house, just run for a good 30 seconds, 15 seconds out, 15 seconds back. Nice and easy for that. But have a fabulous Friday, and see you next week.